Over the past several months, Chris and I have had the privilege of providing many of you in the United States with fine artisan jewelry straight from Colombia, made by artisan jewelers. Today, we would like to provide you with an instructional cleaning video on how to clean your fine artisan jewelry so that it may last for years to come. Here we have 2 boar's tusks, or javelina, if you will, from South America, adorned with quality chrysocolla in the middle, garnet stones, and quality quartz. Garnet stone is considered the gemstone of fearlessness. Here we have a jaguar claw, or a jaguar talon, as they call it down here. The J is silent. It's adorned with the emerald. Here we have walrus tusk, adorned with many guayuro. You have the onyx, and many different stones you see even inside. Oro de tigre and ivory. Another oro de tigre at the top. The chrysocolla that you see here decreases nervousness and irritability and helps with anxiety, depression, and emotional balance. We have obsidian. Many of you guys are familiar with obsidian. It's considered to be a stone of clarity, blocking negative energy and brings clarity to the mind. While the onyx stone here is for protection. Okay, now that we've talked about the stones, we obviously want to keep those protected and away from abrasive chemicals. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the necklace from each one. This one has been recently cleaned, so we're not gonna be too concerned about that. Here we have water, and here we have vinegar. As you see over time from wearing them, they'll get a little dirty, which is fine. Tarnish is natural for brass, and that's what we're dealing with here, dealing with brass. As I am unable to remove this one because the clasp is too wide, which is fine. As you can see, we'll just give it a good rinse afterwards. We'll wait and do this one last. So now that I have all of my necklaces, I'll go ahead and put those in. As you can see, go ahead and put those in the vinegar. We're gonna only do this for a few seconds, maybe 10. Move them around a little bit. Excuse me. Few seconds. Okay. And we'll go ahead and rinse those. Some water. Then I'll pull them out one at a time. Uh-oh. There we go. A paper towel right here that I'll dry them with a little bit. And here I have a trusted cloth that I'll just do a little polishing with. You'll see the polish come right off of them. Excuse me, the tarnish. Come right off of them. I don't know if you can see it, but it's there. And we'll do that a couple times. Sit it right over there. Again, we'll dry that on the paper towel. As you see, it's still a little dark. And then we'll polish it off. Take some of that tarnish off. We'll do the same thing. See the green streaks coming off. That's tarnish. That's perfect. That's exactly what we want. And if you desire, it's perfectly okay to drop it in there again. Do it around 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't really want to do it for longer than that. Bit. Guys, that's all that's required to get that nice and beautiful and shiny. Knock the tarnish right off there. Okay. Some of you guys want to get deeper. Got a little tarnish on your necklace. This is a perfect one on your actual piece. This is a perfect opportunity to show you how we get that right. So I'm gonna move this over a little bit. Brush that gently, without brushing your stone or your jewels, whatever you have on yours. Doesn't take much. Doesn't take much at all. Plenty time. Get this over here to the water and rinse it off. Make sure we definitely get all of the vinegar off of the jewel or the stone or whatever. Like I said, whatever's augmented within your necklace, your precious fine jewelry. Guys, as you can see, it's right back beautiful, ready to wear. We'll leave a link down in the description in case you guys are interested in purchasing some of this nice artisan jewelry. It's all handmade, custom made in Colombia. One of a kind, you'll never find another piece exactly like the other. Even if you find another one of these, walrus tusk with augmented jewels or whatnot, the work will be different. The stones that augment it will be different. You'll never find another piece exactly like the one you have. It's just not even possible. Yes, that's a jaguar talon or a jaguar claw. Nice work. Every piece has meaning. Emerald right there. Augmented with the energy and the benefits that you're looking for. So if you guys are interested, again, we'll leave a link down in the description. Give us a holler, reach out. We'll make sure you get taken care of. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.